tomato sauce. First, you need a pinch of salt, oregano, olive oil, onion, 1 zucchini, a celery stick, and a carrot. Oh, also you can have a whole little garlic or half a big one, and pure tomatoes. First, we start by just taking off the peel of the garlic. Now we put it in the pot. We will start cutting the onion. Be careful, take a knife and cut half. And you cut off the tips. This is a trick for cutting onions. Pool goggles, or whichever goggles. It's time to cut the celery stick. You cut off the last bit, and you chop it up. Make sure to do big chunks because we're gonna take care of that at the end. Now we start with the zucchini. We cut off the end, and we cut off this end, and we start chopping them in large pieces and put them in the pot. Last but not least, the carrot. Chop off both sides. And chop them in equal chunks. A tiny bit of salt, and now the oregano. Now we turn on the stove. Put it on medium-high. Meanwhile, let's open the can. Now when you hear the pot is boiling, you'll put the sauce. If you see that there's not enough tomato sauce to cover the vegetables, add some water. Put hot water. We put a top and let it boil for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, we'll let it cool down and put it in the blender. Some people use sugar for tomato sauce, but we use carrots, so it's a sugar-free sauce. And voila, here's your homemade tomato sauce for pizza, pasta, and lasagna.